Hello, everyone, and welcome you all to the SS Leaders Talk special. Jeena isi ka naam hai. My name is Meghumala. I am the unit HR of Bangalore. Today, we have a very special leader with us who has been an inspiration to most of us in our organization. I am indeed privileged and honored to host this today. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mrs. Tanima Das, the Zonal Head, Accounts and Finance South, who will be sharing her insightful journey with us today. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Meghumala, and good afternoon, everyone. So I'm Tanima. Meghumala has already introduced me, so I'm not going to the detailed introduction of my professional career. I would like to start about my personal identity. So I'm Tanima. I am born and brought up in Kolkata and graduated from the Calcutta University. So I'm just preparing to study my for the higher study. Suddenly, my father has passed away, and in a very unplanned way, I had to join in a job which was in a appliances distribution house who was a distributor of all leading white good appliances. So my journey started from there. Before that, I would like to introduce my family. My family has my husband, my son, and both the mothers, my mother and mother-in-law. So we are 5 person in our family and a loving small family. So I have started my journey for the career journey from the distribution house. Then I was starting searching another job for a better job like the way we do. So one day I saw an advertisement in the newspaper, and their advertisement was they were required an accountant, and it was actually matching my profile. So my husband has applied on behalf of me for that job, and I got an interview within 2 days. And there is no company name mentioned in that advertisement because it was I have been produced by the consultant, I think. So they called me and they said, "Okay, this job is for Shopper Stop. The company Shopper Stop." So I can remember in that time Shopper Stop. I can only remember Aishwarya Rai used to do I was the anchor of the Shopper Stop. He used to do the company. So I said, "Yeah, I can remember." Then okay, you have been called for an interview in Golden Park Hotel. So I was not very comfortable. I said, my husband, "Okay, I'll not go for this interview because it is in the hotel and I'm not comfortable to go there." So he said, "It can happen. You go there. If you feel anything uncomfortable, you don't go for the interview." So this is the how my interview has started, and I have been interviewed by Mr. C.K. Nair, who was actually the regional head that time, but later on he became the business head of Homestop, and the head of HR, who was Mr. Vijay Kashyap. So they selected me, and it was just about, I think, after Durga Puja or just before Durga Puja, and immediately after the Puja, I got my appointment letter and joined in this beautiful company. So that is how my journey has started. I have joined as an junior accountant in Elgin Road Shopper Stop. I joined in Mumbai because there was no Shopper Stop base at that time in Kolkata. I joined in Mumbai. Then we have opened the first flagship store in Kolkata at Elgin Road. And then again, I got a transfer opportunity to work in Mumbai itself. Again, I came back to Kolkata and I elevated as an area account head. My journey was there for last 14 years, and then again elevated as a zonal accountant, and again got an opportunity to work in the beautiful city Bangalore. So now I am in Bangalore and taking care of the zonal accounts of the South region. Thank you, Meg.
Wow, what an inspirational journey. 14 years in an organization from a junior accountant to a zonal head accounts and finance now. Ma'am, I'm sure you must be having a lot of memories in this 14 years. But we would like to know about you the best memory which you have in Shoppers till now, which is the closest in your heart.
Because there are a lot actually, but what I can remember very much, if you are asking me this question now, that is when the Shopper Stop has changed their logo. It was 2008 when management has decided to change the logo, change the look of because logo is a face of a company. So when a logo is getting changed, the face is getting changed, and change is the only constant thing which in our life. So when it was getting changed, there are lots of things parallelly going. People were saying actually this Shopper Stop has been sold out. Your job is in stake. You find another job, kind of this thing. And at a time, our excitement was also going on how the logo will be. And along with the logo, Shopstop has introduced their anthem, and this anthem has been sung by Sonu Nigam and written by Javed Akhtar. So we are super excited. It must be a masterpiece, but how nice it will be. So I can very much remember the day when we were standing, and the uniform which was Shopstop has that time, that was also changing, and we had a very nice uniform in black and white. So all the girls were wearing sari. We are standing in front of Elgin Shopstop, and the logo was revealed with the nice anthem what we seeing every day in 10:45 Had Se Aage. So that was the day I can remember till today. That is like it is. I'm live. I'm standing there, and I'm feeling the excitement. Kind of.
Amazing. And that reminded me about my old days. As you said, Elgin Shopstop, very nostalgic for me as well, ma'am. Because you will be knowing I am also from Kolkata and my school was exactly opposite to Elgin Shopstop. And for us, we never knew that there is a mall called Forum, but we always knew that there is a mall which is named as Shopstop. So thank you for reminding me. It's very nostalgic. Ma'am, again, we all know that a coin has two sides. When you spoke so much about your journey and your, memories, I'm sure, you will be having some difficulties in this 14 years path as well. So have you faced any rejections or failures in your career? And if so, then how did you overcome the same?
Yes, because rejections are there initially when I was searching for a good job there. I used to go for the interview and not getting selected was a rejection. But I was never, depressed or like this. I always think if there is a rejection, that means you are one step ahead of success. If there is a rejection, it is a cycle. When there is a rejection, the success will come again. The next will be success. Then again, it will be rejection, and then it will be success. So that was the initial days when I really the rejection was actually coming in the mind. And if you say struggle, it is little funny. But I will say when I moved to Mumbai, Mumbai, the lifeline of Mumbai is local train. And I am a person, in Calcutta, we used to travel by metro and bus. And so local train, very few people used to travel by local train that time. Now it is not like that. So Mumbai local train was actually learning for me how people can struggle for their life or their bread and butter. So initially it was a struggle, but it was a learning for my life also, I can say. And yes, after that, it is always a value addition for my journey in whatever way.
Great, great, great. I'm sure our associates are also listening to you and will be definitely, thinking that how to come up or overcome the challenges and problems if they face any. We have already known you as our inspiration ever. So do you have any person whom you think as an inspiration in your life or a role model whom you follow?
Not as such any specific person. I am not a person who follow a film star, or I have not yet have any spiritual guru or something. But yes, if you ask me, my inspiration is my family. My family is always been an inspiration to me, and whatever I do today, I do for them only. So one day, Mego, I can remember we used to, whatever we purchase, we used to do an entry in the staff shopping register, right? So I have purchased something, and the one security lady was entering, and she said, "Ma'am, I have seen people purchasing clothes for themselves, clothes for other, but I have noticed you purchase lots of things for home. Why, ma'am? So I do purchase so many things for your home." So that day I realized, yes, I always feel the pride. I mean, when we purchase, when we feel something it is required, or maybe impulse. So my impulse always go for my home, kind of that. So if you say inspiration is my family members.
Yes, of course, you are absolutely right, ma'am. Family matters a lot in all of our life. And as rightly said, whatever we are today, all of us, everybody will agree that, of course, with the support and help of the family, they are the root for our life. Yes. Ma'am, last 1 year has been a roller coaster ride for all of us. And in last 100 years, as heard from our elders, we have never seen this, change. What has happened in 2020, the COVID-19 phase. Many of us has been, demotivated or has been depressed, and a lot of things has happened in many of our life. What are your learnings from this lockdown phase, or how did you keep yourself motivated?
Meghumala, like if you say depression, lockdown has never depressed me. Very frankly speaking, it was a new learning how we can connect it through technology with each other, how we can run our business with technology. And if you say lockdown is a new phase for working from home, so it is like a sargam for me. I mean, sa, re, ga, ma. So if sa is your morning tea and breakfast, re will be your login to the laptop, and ga will be cooking lunch for you yourself. Ma will be again do your work, whatever is scheduled for you. So it was a new learning, new phase, and I have never felt depressed on that. Yes, as a business perspective, like we have lost some business, but definitely we are coming back. We were bouncing back, and we'll definitely bounce back wherever we are. So I am always positive in that. I am always a optimistic person, and I look forward to bounce back in a very colorful way.
Team, there is some technical glitch. We will be right back in a minute. So sorry for the inconvenience.
Yes, ma'am, absolutely right. As you said, that being positive and to maintain the flow of Sare Gama is always there with all of us in lockdown. I always see you very fit. What is the mantra of that? I mean, do you follow any diet or any suggestion for all of us or all of our associates to being so fit?
Not at all, Meghumala. You know me very well, how foodie I am and how much I love I have for food. I eat everything and all this thing. So just one mantra I follow, I avoid overdoing anything. If you are having food, not overeating. If you are, I mean, if you see, fitness comes from mentally. So whatever you are doing, don't overdo anything. I mean, if you are watching a movie, don't overwatch. I mean, 2-3 movies together. I mean, watching movies late night. I am a person who I think in this lockdown has very less time spent on the devices like Amazon Prime, Netflix, and all these things. Which so just one mantra: don't overdo anything. If you are doing workout, also don't overwork out. Do whatever is required for you.
Yes, absolutely. Everything has to be balanced in our life. Nothing
Right.
over is good for anybody of us in terms of any genre. Ma'am, any suggestion or any, anything you would like to tell it to our associates who are also, dreaming a lot big to maybe, get that success or being in that leadership in future? Anything for our associates?
Yeah, Mego, I think not for our associate, this is applicable for every human being. We should respect the humans and respect ourselves also and love ourselves. If you love yourself, you can and work hard, you can achieve your dream and always dream big. Always dream big. Never give up. You can definitely achieve your goal. That is one message I want to share with everyone.
That's amazing. Yes, dream big and always respect everyone. That is amazing and fantastic. Ma'am, almost we have covered or we have known you much now about your professional and a little bit of your personal life. I have one question for you personally, what I want to know. I have always seen you with laptop. Most of the time I see you log in at late night also. So do you get any, leisure time to spend? And if you get that, what is your best way to spend your leisure time?
I love to listen music and I love to see music videos also. Like though I don't love to see I mean I will not say I'll not love to see movies, but I don't spend leisure time in movies. I listen music, even I do work also in background also I play music. Neha knows it because in the late night also when I listen to music, I used to share the link with her. So I disturb her a lot in that. So this is one of the leisure time, you can say my hobby or my leisure thing which I can do in my leisure time.
Great, great, great. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your amazing journey which you shared with us today. And I am sure all our associates will be very much inspired by your energy and the motivational talk. Thank you so much for giving us time today and looking forward to meet you soon in the store for all the interaction and all the fun. Thank you, everybody. Till we meet again with the next episode of Jeena Isi Ka Naam Hai. Request you all to please take care of yourself and stay safe. Namaste.
Namaste. Thank you and stay safe.